भ्रष्टाचार विरोधी पंगडान मंगळारा फातोडेर सांपळो रचून कोकण रेल्वेच्या दोग पुलिसांक अटक केली. एका तेंपार गुळे वखदा तस्करी प्रकरणात नाव आयिल्ल्या पुलीस निरीक्षक सुनील गुडलराक लाच घेवपाच्या प्रकरणात अटक जाल्या. तशेंच एका पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबलाकूय अटक केली. मोहम्मद हुसेन अशें अटक केल्ल्या पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबलाचें नाव जावन आसा. फाटल्या 30 मार्चाक कोकण रेल्वे पुलिशेन रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर बेकायदेशीर मास जप्त केल्ले. हे प्रकरण दामून दवरपा खातीर कोकण रेल्वेचो पुलीस निरीक्षक सुनील गुडलरान बेळगांवच्या एका मास विकपी वेपाऱ्या कडल्यान 2 लाख रुपया तशेंच म्हयन्याक 25,000ची मागणी केल्ली. हे विशीं त्या वेपाऱ्यान 21 एप्रिलाक लेखी कागाळ केल्ली अशें भ्रष्टाचार विरोधी पंगडाचो पुलीस अधीक्षक नेल्सन आल्बुकर्कान सांगलें. ह्या कागाळीची दखल घेवन भ्रष्टाचार विरोधी पंगडान कोकण रेल्वे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर मंगळारा फातोडेर सांपळो रचून पुलीस निरीक्षक सुनील गुडलर आनी कॉन्स्टेबल मोहम्मद हुसेनाक रंगे हात धरलो. ताच्या कॅबिनांतल्यान 25,000 जप्त केल्यात. तशेंच तांकां निलंबीत करपाची शिफारस करतले अशें नेल्सन आल्बुकर्क हांणी सांगलें.
So we received a complaint on the 21st, a written complaint, that there was a demand for 2 lakh rupees and monthly 25,000 rupees to be paid to PI Konkan Railway. The information was conveyed through another Konkan Railway police called Hussein. So accordingly, we registered the complaint by going through the transcripts recorded by the complainant, which had the ingredients of an FIR, and thereafter we laid a trap and caught both the people red-handed with an advance amount received by them for 25,000 rupees. So accordingly, they have been placed under arrest. The transaction took place in the office of the PI, where the complainant, the Hussein, and PI was present, and the 25,000 was recovered from the PI's drawer. We will take the remand. We will make a request to place both of them under suspension. Yeah. All the transcriptions recorded by us before the trap and after the trap was by Hussein. The time of receipt of money, P.I. Goodler's voice and his conversation was also recorded.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV.